Hey there, fellow SEO enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered how some websites skyrocket to the top of Google's search results almost overnight? Well, today, I'm diving into the magic behind SEO Buddy, the tool that claims to rank any site on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing in just 3 hours flat. Let's start with the basics. SEO Buddy isn't just another SEO tool. It's a powerhouse designed to create, analyze, and rank stunning websites effortlessly. Imagine having the ability to generate unlimited backlinks or analyze countless keywords that shoot your site right to the top. Sounds like a dream, right? But with SEO Buddy, it's your new reality. Now you might be asking, how does it work? Well, SEO Buddy offers a built-in keyword research feature that not only lets you discover high-ranking keywords, but also provides real-time advanced SERP data from Google, Yahoo, and Bing. This means you can see exactly what's working and replicate those strategies on your own site. And here's where it gets even more interesting. SEO Buddy comes equipped with an SEO Competitor Analysis feature. This nifty tool keeps an eye on your competitors and notifies you of potential actions to stay ahead. So while they're guessing what the next big keyword is, you're already there, dominating the front page. But that's not all. SEO Buddy also simplifies content creation. With the ability to write and post SEO-friendly AI articles and blog posts with just a few clicks, it ensures that not only does your content rank, but it also engages and converts. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this all really possible? Well, according to the results shared by many users, it's not just possible, it's happening. Websites are not only climbing to the top spots faster, but are also staying there thanks to the robust features of SEO Buddy. In conclusion, whether you're looking to start your own SEO agency or just want to boost your website's rankings personally, SEO Buddy could be the tool you need to leapfrog the competition and secure that coveted first-page spot. It's fast, it's efficient, and most importantly, it's proven. So why wait? Dive into the world of SEO Buddy and watch your website soar to the top of the search engine charts. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep optimizing.